Hi everyone, it's Jenny again, and today I'm going to teach you how to do some little magnets for mandala art. So these decorative magnets are really fun, but you don't even have to stop here. So you can do all sorts of things with magnets, like dried flower petals in the magnets. You can also do some washi tape inside of the magnets. Very easy, simple things that you can do to kind of create your own personalized decorative magnets. But today we're going to center on the mandalas. So what you'll need for this project, you'll need a base. I chose a little flat wooden disc, but really anything will work. This just soaks up the acrylic paint really nicely. You'll need that acrylic paint, so I have a set here, but really any kind of tempera paint that would work just as well. And finally, you'll need your paint brushes. So I have a couple really fine tipped paintbrushes, but if you don't have this, that's not the end of the world. You can use a bobby pin. Just stretch it out and look at how fine those tips are, and you can use those to dab on paint. The final thing that you'll need, of course, is a magnet and glue. So these little magnets I got at the craft store. They're super simple. They have more powerful ones too if you want, but this tends to do well with the wooden discs. The glue, you don't have to get this fancy glue. This is a multi-purpose glue, but even if you have Elmer's glue at home, as long as it dries clear, that's probably the best kind to use. Okay, now we can get started. Are you ready? So mandalas are all about nature and being symmetrical and kind of using those natural patterns to create something beautiful, and that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to turn the camera down so you can see how I start. But we have our wooden disc. I just pre-painted the background because that gives it a little more life. Okay. Okay, so we're all finished. I'm going to show you guys what mine ended up looking like. It's a little funky, but I like it a lot. There's so many good colors and fun things about it. But most of all, it's light, so it's going to work really well with our magnet. So we have our magnet base. I'm going to take a little dot of glue, just a tiny bit. There we go, just a tiny dot on there. And then we're going to place our wooden base just right on top of the magnet. And we're going to let that dry. So you can really do all sorts of really cool designs with mandalas. You can have them just free form like the little dots that I did. You can also make them into images, so like make them into a flower or maybe a turtle shell, whatever you like. And then you're ready to stick this on your fridge or your locker. So I hope you had fun. I hope you try out some of these techniques, whether it's on a magnet or maybe a rock that you find out in your yard. You can even do mandalas on those. And get some inspiration from nature. There are so many weird and cool patterns in nature that you can kind of be inspired by. So if you do create some, let us know either in the comments below or tag us on some of your social media pictures. Our handle is @MCPL Indiana. All right, good luck. Happy creating.